Hello everyone! In this video, I would like to share 10 vocabulary words from my English class. I will mention the spelling, pronunciation, meaning, and example sentence. The first word is daydream. 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 The meaning is a series of pleasant talks about something you would prefer to be doing or something you would like to achieve in the future. For example, I had a daydream that I'd have my personal library. Composer. 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 The meaning is a person who writes music. For example, Sir Edward William Elgar was an English composer. Develop. 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 The meaning is to cause something to grow or change into a more advanced, larger, or stronger form. For example, I practice speak English every day to develop my English speaking skill. Ordinary. 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 The meaning is not different or special or unexpected in any way. Usual. For example, traffic jam is one of ordinary situations in our country. Conclude. 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 The meaning is to end a speech, meeting, or piece of writing. For example, this novel concluded with a happy ending. Consolidate. 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 The meaning is to become or cause something to become stronger and more certain. For example, I believe that having positive mindsets will consolidate my career support. Advantage. 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 The meaning is a condition giving a greater chance of success. For example, having a high IELTS score is an advantage for students' acceptance into universities abroad. Assembly. 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 The meaning is the process of putting together the parts of machine or structure. For example, full assembly instructions are included with this bookshelf. Obviously. 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 The meaning is in a way that is easy to understand or see. For example, she were obviously disappointed after you break your promise. Escapism. 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 The meaning is the activity of avoiding reality by imagining exciting but impossible activities. For example, this magic movie is certainly escapism. That's all my new 10 vocabularies. Thank you for watching.